If you get it right in the bedroom, you will score in the boardroom, because what happens to you at home, what happens to you the night before, is going to impact and affect, and in many ways direct how you show up in the marketplace the next day.
Up your level of performance at work. Don't just show up at work to collect a paycheck. Show up to be the very best that you can be for that particular employer.
I will do whatever it takes and whatever is necessary to change whatever needs to be changed. And since I can't change her or him or them, me, I can only change me.
Why don't we just make a decision that that's all it is make a decision to do the positive thought process and live in that world, because then we'll start saying that that too always happens. You can't have one without the other.
In a room full of just intelligent, super smart, super entrepreneurial and successful women, is that I've known for a very long time that while men have had control of this society and the business world in this country and the world for such a long time, it is the woman, and particularly the Latina woman, who is going to help us all rise out of the problems that our society currently has.
When bad things happen, it's the result of something being broken. Either a process, a system, or someone is broken. And this brokenness results in this me having a bad experience, me having a bad day, a tragedy appearing in my life.
I love to bring people with me. Someone invites me to a nice event, like I was thinking of, who else can I invite to this podcast with me today? And then I thought, wait a minute, it's not my show. I can't bring other friends of mine. You know, come on, you can get exposure too, right? Yeah. You can be on this show and share your brilliance. When we're 18, 19, and 20, that's when you should have your midlife crisis. Why? Because it is during the midlife crisis that we start asking the questions about our lives that we should have asked when we were much younger.